Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Dummy threads in Python are a way to simulate concurrent execution without actually running multiple threads in parallel. They are useful for testing and debugging scenarios where you want to mimic the behavior of multiple threads without the overhead of real concurrency. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create dummy threads in Python using the threading module and discover some use cases where dummy threads can be beneficial. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from python.org. The threading module in Python provides a way to create and manage threads. We'll use this module to implement dummy threads. In this example, we define a function dummy_thread_ function that simulates some work by sleeping for a specified duration. We then create two dummy threads, dummy_thread_1 and dummy_thread_2, and start them. The join method is used to wait for both threads to finish before moving on. Testing parallel execution logic. Dummy threads are useful for testing scenarios where your code needs to handle multiple threads concurrently. By using dummy threads, you can simulate parallel execution and ensure that your code behaves correctly. Debugging thread-related issues. When debugging multi-threaded code, it can be challenging to isolate and reproduce issues. Dummy threads allow you to create controlled conditions for testing and debugging without the complexity of real threads. Load testing. Dummy threads can be employed to simulate a high concurrency environment and assess how your code performs under heavy load. This is particularly helpful for identifying potential bottlenecks and optimizing your application. In this tutorial, we explored how to create dummy threads in Python using the threading module. Dummy threads are valuable for testing and debugging purposes, allowing you to simulate concurrent execution without the overhead of real threads. Consider incorporating dummy threads into your testing strategy to ensure the robustness of your multi-threaded Python applications. ChatGPT.